If you're using a separate atta maker, a separate mixer grinder, a separate juicer and a separate chopper, which by the way does just chopping, your counter must already be full. Single multifunction appliances are the way to go, and this one appliance with 5 jars and multiple attachments claims to do 40 plus functions, and it comes with German engineering. This is the Bosch Pure Mix Plus mixer grinder with a food processor attachment, and I've designed many tests to stress test and demonstrate it to you. Bosch gave me access to the product to experience and review, but tests, opinions and experiences are all my own. So with that, let's get started. This machine comes with 5 jars and a number of attachments. It has a 600 ml chutney jar. It is larger than many chutney jars in the market and small enough for small quantity grinding. It has a 1 liter multi-purpose jar for slightly larger grinding tasks like masalas and pastes. Next is the 1.5 liter wet grinding jar for making idli and dosa batter, wet coconut grinding and similar tasks. You see the small ridge inside the jar? This helps to aerate the batter better, which means fluffier batter. The ridge acts as an active flow breaker to interrupt the batter flow and force the ingredients back into the blade. As you can see, the idlis made from this batter are super fluffy too. Next is the 1.5 liter blender jar. This also comes with a fruit filter for juicing, making smoothies and blending. And lastly, the 2 liter InstaPrep jar. This is a large food processor bowl that has attachments for kneading, chopping, slicing, shredding and grating. You can fill this jar up to 60 to 70% for the best output. Being a large jar, you can make about 1 to 1.5 kg of dough at a time, enough to make about 100 fulkas. As you can see, even after pulling the dough thin, it does not tear, which means the gluten is nicely bonded. But also, since this is a 2 liter jar, which is quite large, it is not suitable for processing small quantities of vegetables or dough. And the best part in this mixer grinder and most Bosch mixer grinders is the hands-free operation. All the jars except the juicer jar have a lid lock system so that you don't need to hold down the lid during grinding, mixing or food processing, and it does not wobble as well. For the juicer jar, it uses a standard twist and lock, which is quite adequate. Now coming back to the InstaPrep bowl, let's see what all we can do with the food processing jar. There is a dough blade for kneading, a chopping blade for vegetables and nuts, a slicing disc for vegetables like cucumbers and onions, a shredding disc for vegetables like carrots or beetroot. A quick tip: for slicing particularly, you should pack the vegetables tightly so that you get slices with similar thickness. The 40 plus functions claimed by this food processor is actually a combination of all the jar and disc combinations. But honestly, there are only 5 to 10 functions we would tend to use very often in our mixer grinder or the food processor. The Bosch Pure Mix Plus is an 800 watt mixer grinder with a food processing attachment. The motor runs at an RPM of 22,500. Many users like the traditional stone pounding effect of spices rather than fine cutting them. So if you like your spices like coriander seeds to have a coarse texture to it, then the dry grinding blade in the 1 liter multi-purpose jar is able to give you that effect. If you're looking for one appliance that does mixing, grinding, kneading and food processing, then the Bosch Pure Mix Plus is a great option for you. With a black finish, the Bosch Pure Mix Plus looks quite premium. The jars and blades are made of high quality stainless steel. It is great for regular daily cooking tasks. It has many jars and attachments to make prep in your kitchen quite smooth. It also comes with a 2-year comprehensive warranty on the product, 3 years on the Dynadrive gearbox and 7 years on the motor. The current price of the Bosch Pure Mix Plus is in the link in the description. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.